Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome back to Bike Empire. Today we're taking a close look at the Honda Shine 125, a motorcycle that's known for reliability, comfort, and everyday efficiency. Let's find out why it continues to be one of the most trusted 125 cubic centimeters bikes on the road. Engine and performance. The Honda Shine 125 is powered by a refined 124 cubic centimeters engine that delivers smooth acceleration and dependable performance. It's tuned for city riding, offering strong low-end torque and a stress-free ride in traffic while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Design and comfort. With its clean, classic design, the Shine 125 focuses on practicality rather than flash. The comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and well-balanced chassis make it ideal for daily commuting and long rides alike. Mileage and reliability. One of the biggest strengths of the Honda Shine 125 is its impressive mileage. Combined with Honda's proven engine reliability and low maintenance costs, this bike is built to run smoothly for years without trouble. Features and safety. The Shine 125 comes equipped with essential modern features, including a smooth gearbox, refined suspension setup, and reliable braking system. Everything is designed to give the rider confidence and comfort on every ride. Final verdict. The Honda Shine 125 is a perfect choice for riders who want a dependable, fuel-efficient, and comfortable daily motorcycle. If reliability and value matter most to you, the Shine 125 easily earns its place as a top contender in the 125 cubic centimeters segment.